Okay guys, so for today's stitch, this is called the front and back loop single crochet. This is a stitch that combines the front loop and the back loop single crochet techniques, and it is not as deeply textured as the back loop single crochet, but it still creates a ridged or a furrowed fabric, and its effect can be increased by working in stripes in different colors. So I think you will enjoy this, the front and back loop single crochet. So let's go ahead and get started on this pretty stitch. Okay, so to get started on this front and back loop single crochet, I'm just using a medium full weight yarn, and I'm using a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. But like I said, I'm just teaching you how to make this stitch, so you can use any size yarn you want and any size hook that you would like. So to start off, you can start with any number of stitches for this. And if you like, you can, to start your chain, you can make a slip knot, and you just cross over, take the yarn and go through the circle, pull up, put your hook in there, and then pull to tighten. Okay, so that starts you a slip knot. Okay, so I'm going to chain 20 to start mine off, just to show you how to make this. And so you just yarn over and pull your hook through the loop. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. There's the first chain, there's the second chain. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops. Now you just made a single crochet. And then you're going to single crochet in each chain across. So insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops. That's a single crochet. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through, grab your yarn, pull through 2 loops. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go through this, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, when you get your last single crochet in your chain, go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work. And this does not count as a stitch. So you're going to single crochet in the front loop only of every single crochet all the way across. So you're going to single crochet in the front loop only. So you see you have 2 loops right here. You can't see it if you're doing it this way, but if you turn your work that way, you can see it. So we're going to single crochet in that first loop. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, and then your second one, insert your hook in that front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, and just continue working that all the way down, just in the front loop, not in the back loop here, just in the front loop. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in that front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And here's what it looks like on the front side, on the opposite side. Okay, so I will meet you when you get to the last single crochet. Okay, so I just made my last single crochet, and so for the next row we're going to chain 1, and it does not count as a stitch. Turn your work, and now we're going to single crochet in the back loop only of every single crochet. So when you turn it, remember you worked in the front loop a while ago, now you're going to work in the back loop. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in this back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you just need to continue this all the way across. Okay, so that's what it looks like there, and then this is what it looks like on this side. All right, I'll do a couple more. Insert your hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, I will meet you when you get to the end. Okay, so I just finished that That was row 3. So what you need to do is you just keep repeating rows 2 and 3. Rows 2, so you'll chain 1, turn your work. Rows 2 will always be in the front loop that you'll make your single crochet. Just like this. See, working in the front loop here only, not the back loop. Okay, and then when you get finished with row 2 here, you'll turn around and do row 3 and you'll work in the back loop. So that's how easy this stitch is. It's a easy row 2 and 3 row repeat. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.